Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to unbox the Astra Zero Clearance Wood Burning Fireplace by Supreme. The Astra comes in 3 different sizes. That includes a 24, a 32, and a 38. Today, we'll be working with a 38-inch model. Our first step will be to check the product for any obvious signs of damage. If you find any, please give us a call right away. Our next step will be to unscrew these 9 screws on both sides and the bottom to pull off this face. Our next step will be to remove the fireplace from the pallet. This fireplace is very heavy, so I would suggest a couple of people to assist with moving the fireplace. Our next step will be to open the door and grab all of the components. The components of this fireplace include the instruction manual, the cold hand key, the door handle, the removable ash lip, a fan speed control. Lastly, you'll also find some starter logs. That is everything you need to know when unboxing your Astra Zero Clearance Wood Burning Fireplace by Supreme. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 877-361-1123 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.